Kitchens are known as the heart of the home. We cook our favorite meals, spend time with our families, and socialize. So it's important that the kitchen look and feel comfortable to be around. However, kitchens needn't be a difficult room to redesign. Design your perfect kitchen without the need for a kitchen designer. Whether you're preparing for a move to a new house or simply want to a kitchen remodel, these amazing kitchen ideas will come in handy. 1. Practical and classy. If you're cooking aficionado, you want to make sure that your kitchen remodeling incorporates space and comfort, and that you have everything at your fingertips. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice aesthetics. For a practical, classic kitchen plan, choose a kitchen with an island and high stools. Keep the color palette neutral for a timeless style and add fresh pops of color, with a few chic golden pendant ceiling lights as a focal point. A white kitchen with oak worktops is fantastic for that fresh and open plan kitchen feeling, whereas a predominantly gray kitchen is perfect if you're after a sophistication and style. 2. Neat and effortless. If you want to take a minimalist approach to your kitchen design, you won't go wrong with a duochromatic color palette. A predominantly white kitchen is soothing, clean, fresh, and ageless. It's gorgeously complemented by deep blue, which is practical, elegant, and easy on the eyes. Think blue kitchen cabinets, blue quartz worktop, or navy blue kitchen accessories. If you're feeling bold, you can even opt for blue kitchen units. 3. Understated charm. Not everyone knows the kitchen styles they prefer. Whether you're an eclectic or a traditionalist, you can still play around with textures, colors, and small kitchen decorations to achieve your personal style. There are no rules for creating your dream kitchen design. A blush pink accent pendant ceiling light can be the statement piece to add your ideal kitchen layout. Pair it with minimalist designer or vintage kitchen furniture, depending on your taste. Cream kitchen chairs or any light neutral wooden chairs and white kitchen cupboards go together beautifully and create a relaxed atmosphere. Perfect for one of the best kitchen layouts for cooking and enjoying dinner.